What's up, guys? Steven here. Just wanted to send you guys a little Bitcoin update video. In our last video, I think we were talking about the prospects of a double bottom forming here on Bitcoin. I still think this is potentially in play. We were long a trade on top of our normal spot holdings. We got out of that yesterday. The lower time frame is a little weird at the moment. So I'm long spot. I haven't sold any of my spot Bitcoin as far as I'm concerned from like a long-term perspective. This is all still good. There's nothing to run for the hills over right now. The question is just sort of like, do you want to, can you take like a leverage long from here? Can you juice this up from here? And on that one, I'm kind of taking a step back, being a little more patient at the moment. But no changes to the longer term spot outlook. And if we are kind of zoomed out and not focused on the 5-minute chart, this all still looks really, really good. This is sort of the range high as I see it for Bitcoin. This is kind of like your main volume cluster here. I think these moves were kind of like little lower volume deviations, and you can kind of see how price has been supported by this region since the April lows, right? So as of now, like there has not been a daily close at or below this line in about 190 days or so, right? The daily structure is still intact. All of this is just consolidation. This could still just be a higher low here, and we go. That's all well and good. If we pull up the 50-week chart, you would see a nice little hold of the 50-week MA. We put in a little sweep on the weekly last week. So while I wouldn't say this looks like incredibly amazing, I don't see anything to panic over yet, right? So I think if you have like a more zoomed out perspective, you're not trading on the 1 hour or the 4 hour chart or whatever, or you know, even the 15-minute chart, the 1 minute chart, whatever your poison is. I think you can just be long here until we get a daily close below that, and then I think we have to reevaluate. That to me is not a sign that we're going to nuke to zero. It's just a sign that this scenario where we sort of consolidate here and then go is probably off the table, and we have to look for something else, whether that is, you know, maybe a breakdown and a sweep of those lows and a reclaim back inside the range, or possibly even a move all the way back to range lows to where this kind of original demand is. I would like for us to bottom here. It's much cleaner if we bottom here. We leave the market structure intact. We don't violate any of the weekly moving averages. It would be better for us. This does start to look a little uglier, I think, if we go lower. So until then, I'm still assuming that after some pain here, this was pain. This is a lot of pain, long period of pain. We've only gone through, you know, 9 days. This was basically 49 days from the first kind of nuke, and maybe if you consider that the first nuke, we'd still be 2 more weeks of chop away from this. But yeah, no changes to the long-term thesis, just changes to the short-term trades. I like this as a line of invalidation. If you're trading, that's what I would do. That's how I would frame it. Pretty simple rule to follow. Be long until you get the close below here, and then reevaluate. Capiche? Cool. Well, that'll wrap it for this video. We got the stream coming up Monday. If you guys have been checking that out, thank you. Trying to do the Magic Monday live stream every single Monday now, where we dive a little deeper into the charts and cover a wider array of assets. Also, don't forget, we got the link to the free Discord in the description below. And as always, please like and subscribe. It helps me out. It makes me feel good. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next video.